Chicken breast, $4.99.
Thanks for voting us Best Grocery Store and Sushi.
All right, time for some Wednesday birthdays across the 4 states, and we are going to begin in Pittsburgh with Ellie Meadows celebrating the big number 1, already driving. All right, way to go, Ellie. Happy birthday.
That's almost scary. All right, Blakely Bruce turning 1 this year. What a sweetie there in Chetopa, Kansas.
And Alex Pack celebrating the big number 6 over in St. Paul. Happy birthday, Alex.
All right, Mila Bell Hutchins. A special note for Mila Bell, who's turning 7 strong. We love you from Papa and Nani.
And over in Fort Scott, we've got Paisley Murphy celebrating the big number 8. Happy birthday, Paisley.
All right, Kinley Price, welcome to the teenage years. Kinley, 13 now in Sarcoxie.
And over in Girard, Darcy Miller, she's the one on the right, celebrating her 20th birthday today. Happy birthday, Darcy.
In Liberal, it says Liberal, Kansas. I wonder if it might be Liberal, Missouri, a little bit closer to us here. Ashley Layson turning 25 years old.
And in Crestline, our neighbors to the south, Jonathan Palmer celebrating number 39. Happy birthday, Jonathan.
And Coral Burns is 40 this year, the big 4-0. Looking great there, Coral, in St. Paul with love from all of your family.
And Jimmy Miller in Pittsburgh celebrating birthday number 48. Happy birthday, Jimmy.
All right, Dewey and LaDonna Smith in Columbus are celebrating 65 years of wedded bliss. Congratulations to the Smith family.
And our very own Amanda Salgado celebrating a birthday today. She's one of our digital marketing specialists. We want to wish you a very happy birthday, Amanda.
Happy birthday, Amanda. And birthday wishes going out to Jessica Ray in Columbus. Hope it's a great one.
And Barbara Grizzle, also in Columbus, celebrating a birthday. Happy birthday and anniversary to all of you. And Tanya can tell you exactly where you need to send them if you've got future birthdays and anniversaries.
That's right. All you have to do is send your information and the pictures, please. We love pics. To birthdays with an S at KOAMnewsnow.com.
And while you're on our website, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It is easy to do. You get special deals from local businesses, and you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMnewsnow.com, sign up for that birthday club today.